Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you to fix your iPhone which is having no service after a carrier update on your Verizon. So here's a guide to restore your signal. Fix 1 Run diagnostics with Apple Support app. Download the Apple Support app on iOS 18 Plus to test system states. Run built-in cellular diagnostics to isolate device or network faults. Identify if the underlying problem is account side or hardware side. Fix 2 Toggle airplane mode to force re-registration. Open your settings app and locate the airplane mode toggle. Enable airplane mode and leave it running for at least 15 seconds. Turn it off to force a fresh connection request with Verizon Towers. Fix 3 Restart your iPhone. Hold the side button and the volume button until power sliders appear. Slide to turn off. Wait for 30 seconds, then hold side to turn back on. This clears out broken network state profiles left by failed updates. Fix 4 Manually rerun carrier settings update. Connect to active Wi-Fi, then navigate to Settings, and then go to General. Go to About. Check version details under Carrier to confirm successful integration. If an update is available, follow the system prompts to install it. Fix 5 Verify Verizon cellular line is switched on. Navigate into Settings, Cellular from your iPhone home screen. Select the primary line you wish to review. Ensure Turn on this line is enabled, as updates can reset this toggle. Fix 6 Remove and reinsert your physical SIM card. Turn off your phone completely before working with the SIM slot. Use a rejection tool or paperclip to pop out the SIM tray. Inspect the card for damage, reseat it, and then boot the device back up. Fix 7 Update your device to the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, select General, and then select Software Update on your iPhone. Connect to a reliable Wi Fi network before initiating the update. Install pending operating updates to override firmware handshakes. Fix 8 Confirm Verizon account standing is active. Reach out to Verizon to confirm your device plan remains in good standing. Validate that there are no localized cellular outages in your zip code. Fix 9 Perform a reset of your network settings. You need to go to General, first Settings, and then go to General, and then go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings to wipe all bad device configurations. Note, this clears saved Wi-Fi networks, VPN settings, and Bluetooth. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.